In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move images, bringing them to the front and sending them to the back, all within Google Sheets. This handy feature is perfect for organizing and showcasing your data visually, especially when you want to add a little flair to your spreadsheets. We'll walk through the steps one by one, making it easy for you to follow along and apply what you learn. First, let's begin by opening a Google Sheet. It doesn't matter whether you're starting a new sheet or using an existing one. Just make sure you have it opened and ready. Once you're in, locate the top menu bar and click on the Insert option. This will give you a variety of choices to enhance your sheet. From there, you'll want to select Drawing. This part allows you to create and add different images directly to your spreadsheet. Next, find and click on Image from the Drawing tool options. This action will lead you to the point where you can incorporate visuals into your document. Now, it's time to select the image you wish to use. Click on Browse to open your file selector, where you can navigate to the image you want to display on your sheet. Choose your desired image and hit Select to insert it into the drawing space. Once your image is in place, click on it to ensure it's selected. You should see resizing handles appear around your image, indicating it's active and ready for adjustment. Now, repeat the browsing step to select a second image. You'll want to have two images so you can easily see how to arrange them in layers. After you've inserted your second image, position these images so that the second one is overlaid on top of the first. This arrangement allows you to visualize how the images interact with each other in the spreadsheet. Ensure that both images are positioned the way you prefer, since this will help you see the effect of moving layers in action. Select the image you want to adjust, which is image 2 in this case. Right-click on the selected image to bring up a context menu. From there, choose Send Backward. This command moves the image one layer down, so it will appear behind any overlapping images. It's a useful tool for visual arrangements when multiple images are involved. Once you're satisfied with how your images are layered, go ahead and click on Save and Close to apply the changes to your Google Sheet. This will integrate your modified drawing into the document, with your images now layered as you intended. And that's it. You now know how to move images to the front and back in Google Sheets, enabling you to manage visuals more effectively within your data sets. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video if you found it helpful.